Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today um I went shopping, I went thrifting, and I also stopped by the Dollar Tree. So guys, guess what's in my bag? You guys can see something sticking out. So I want to share with you what I purchased. Some of these things are going to be used in collaborations coming up. So check out my community tab. I share the monthly calendar for all the open collaboration, and this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. If you don't want to check my community tab and find the calendar, you can also go to her channel, and in her community tab, you will find the calendar. Write it down, guys. Um, this month we had so many nice collaborations, and also on the 14th we are celebrating a graduation, and this is Anna's the Grace Life DIY Home Decor graduation. We are celebrating, and yeah guys, so let me get started. And if you like to do reef and DIY, so you want to see the calendar, because we are all inviting all the content creators, the one that decorate, the one that do DIY. All right guys, to get started, I bought these two gold stars. They are heavy duty. They are heavy duty plates, guys. So there's snack trays as well as you can use them to set a tablescape. So I only bought two because I will be doing a tablescape for two, and I will be using these as plates with my chargers and placemats. So guys, these are heavy duty. I was looking how thick they are. I was shocked. Very good quality, and I know that this will last me for a long time. And I also can use them for the 4th of July, for all the holidays. I mean, look at this, guys. Even for Super Bowl, I mean, you will not go wrong buying this for $1.25. So I bought two of those. And I also bought a star because I will be doing, this is the frame to do a wreath. So I'm going to be doing a red, white, and blue. So yeah, guys. And we also have that collaboration coming up. It's called Wreath Galore. So there you go. And also for my wreath, I bought, and for my flower arrangement, I bought the little form. It says four from wines, lead freedom ring, and this one is just the hat. You get four in each, so they are very decent, and they have the ribbon. So for my red, white, and blue tablescape and decor, you can use it. You can even use this for garland, whatever you want to use it, guys. This has got to be creative. So I bought two of these. So that's a good buy. And also we have also the collaboration. Wow, I'm drawing a blank. Um, Let me get my little paper and I'll tell you about it. Okay, I'm going to read you a couple of the collaboration. We have the Cozy Corner of Vignette coming up, and the theme is lemon. So lemon, so that means use either lemon decor, or you could DIY any lemon decor and display. And also, and that one is for May 27th at 7 p.m. And also we have the decorate a lantern theme. The theme for the decorate the lantern is buffalo check and sunflower. That one is for May 27th. And of course, that's for 7 p.m. on the 27th. And also we have the budget friendly shop with me and show your haul. So doesn't mean the you're going to do you shop with me. That will be one video, and then you could title your next video part two and show what you buy, guys. And also we have the food serving. That's on the 24th. That's like a charcuterie board. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You could just make it simple. It's called Grand Appetizer Party Tray. And that one also is a fun collaboration because I usually do it for my grandson and my family, and they love it. Now they always expect to have that. And then every Sunday we have quick and easy meals. That's record what you like to make and upload and use the quick and easy meals collaboration, and the host are all in the calendar. And also we have under $20 thrift flip DIY open collaboration. Thrift flip any item from the thrift store. um the budget is $20, but you know what, you do you could spend $10, you could spend $50. It doesn't matter how much you spend, but we just don't want to make it seem like you have to go and spend $20 if you don't have $20. You could just buy something that costs you $5 and flip it, and show it in your video. And then we have Tablescape Tuesdays. That's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. But the May 14th, we are celebrating Anna Beller graduation, third year leadership from Cherish Bible College. The colors are black, white, and gold. Okay. And the guest host for that one is Divine Inspiration by Martha. And then, like I said, we have wreaths galore. The theme is red, white, and blue. DIY or decorate a wreath, a swag, or a garland, or a centerpiece. We're just trying to make it easy. And that one is for the May 18th. All right, guys, that's what I have so far to share with you. And if we have more collaborations, she will place them on the calendar. So let's continue. So I got this patriotic scatter. The heavy duty, guys, you get 6, and you can make a garland with this. You could decorate a wreath with it. So yep, that's what I got. And of course, like I told you guys, I'm doing my wreath, and I got the white mesh. I have red, and then I got the red, white, and blue. And also I grabbed the plain blue. So yeah, guys, I want my wreath to be nice and full. I'm going to be placing that on my front door. So, or maybe I'll do it small enough that I could put it on the center of my table and put a candle right on the center. And also I grab a cross. This has the light in it. Let's see. It gave me a little bit of hard time to turn on the light, but it does has the light in it, and the light works. It's just a little. It gives me a little bit of hard time to stay on, but let me show you guys. Oh, now it doesn't want to work. But the good thing about this is that you can take this little light and place a tea light candle in it. But the light does work. You cannot see the light on because of my window. But there it is. I don't know. Can you guys see it? Okay. There it is. It's on. But at nighttime, it looks very nice. The light works, and you could just replace it with a tea light candle that is bigger. And also I got a 2-pack of tea light candles, and I got a for DIY. I'm going to be DIYing these bee themes. It says nice, so be nice. Yeah, guys, be nice. It doesn't cost you anything. And also I bought this little birdhouse. I'm going to paint it. It's not going to be a birdhouse. I'm going to make like a bee skip. That's what it's called, where the bees goes in there. So I'm going to be using U-twine paint, and I'm going to be DIYing that. Guys, I don't do DIYs, but sometimes I like to do them. And also I bought some foam scatter for my tablescape. I needed some paint. So I got white acrylic paint and I got the yellow one for my lemon theme. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys, I also bought a, what do they call this? A canvas. I want to draw a lemon here and I want to make it nice so I could display it in my lemon theme with my lantern. All right, guys. Um, let's see what else I have. And I spent on Dollar Tree 27.76. There it is. And also, of course, I bought myself a peanut um, peanut energy blend, honey roasted peanuts, honey roasted sesame sticks, almond, walnuts, and pecan. Sugar 14 gram, calories 310, and uh, where's the protein? You know, it's 8 grams of protein. So it says that this is one serving, but I will have 2 servings from this. And of course, if you follow me long enough, I always have a fan with me wherever I go. So I bought this little one to put on my pocketbooks. I also got some tiny little pocketbooks and these fit perfectly, you know. So, oh, yes. Yeah, guys. Doesn't have to be always air conditioned, but this soft for emergency. Well, guys, that's my haul. I want to thank you to all my new subscribers, and if, I want to thank to all my subscribers, and if you are a new subscribers, welcome to the Cabassa family. I am happy to have you. And guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.